Hi students, in our previous module we discussed about the composite function. Here we will take some examples and check how the f composite g and g composite f can be found. And now I take a function f defined as 1, 3, 2, 4, ordered pairs 1, 3 and 2, 4. Let us take the second function g. It is from 3, 5 and 4, 6. As per the rule, f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. Similarly, g composite f of x is equal to g of f of x. Let them be there. Now let us take the function f. F is having the two ordered pairs 1, 3 and 2, 4. Now I write the domain of f. Domain of f, that is 1, 2. Range of f is equal to 3, 4. Check it. The first element of the function f is called as the domain of the function f. So domain of f is equal to 1, 2. And range means that is the second element of the function f. Range of f is equal to here 3 and 4 are the second elements. Okay. Similarly, domain of g. Check it. What are the domain of g? 3 and 4, first elements. So 3, 4. And range of g, what are the elements? 5, 6, second elements. So 5, 6. Now, f composite g is existing when the domain of f and range of g are equal. Remember, we can say that f composite g exists only when the domain of f and range of g are equal. Domain of f is 1 and 2, range of g is 5 and 6. Here these two are not equal, so we can say that f composite g does not exist. Now let us take g composite f. The rule is same. Here g composite f is here. G composite f is possible only if the domain of g and range of f are equal. Now check it. Domain of g is 3 and 4. Range of f is 3 and 4. Here it is possible. So in this problem, what is possible? We can find g composite f. But f composite g does not exist. Moreover, in our previous module itself I explained to you that f composite g and g composite f are not equal. So these are the basic ideas we have to discuss first. Now let us find g composite f with the help of the two functions f and g. Now let us find g composite f. So here g composite f of x is equal to, already we have written here, that is g of f of x. So here g composite f of the first element 1, that is g of f of 1, that is equal to g of, what is f of 1 here? F of 1 is, here it is 3. Now I am writing here for your understanding. F of 1 is equal to 3, that means image of 1 is 3. F of 2 is equal to 4, image of 2 is 4. Similarly, g of 3 is equal to 5. The image of 3, here it is 5. So g of 4 is equal to 6. These values are already found. Now we have to choose those values and substitute here and find it. So g composite f of 1 is nothing but g of f of 1. Here f of 1 value is taken as 3 So G of 3 is equal to how much? It is 5. Next, G composite f of 2 is equal to G of f of 2. F of 2 is nothing but 4. So G of 4. What is G of 4? That is 6. So what is G composite f here? G composite f is equal to, what will be the elements? 1 and 5 and 2 and 6. So these two are the ordered pairs present in G composite f. In simple words, I told you previously in the previous module that here it is A, it is B, it is C, here elements 1, 2, here 3 and 4, here 5 and 6, here this is the function f, 1 to 3, here 2 to 4, this is the function g, here 3 to 5, here 4 to 6. So when you find G composite f, you will have G composite f from A to C. Now 1 has the image 3, 3 has image 5, so we will get the first ordered pair 1, 5. Next one, 2 has the image 4 and 4 has the image 6, so we will get another ordered pair 2, 6. Check it, you have got the same. So this is the process of finding G composite f and f composite g. So if you want to find f composite g, the main thing is what is the first function, what is second function, you have to note it. In f composite g, first function is f, second function is g, so the domain of the first function, that means domain of first function is f, is equal to range of the second function. Range of the second function is what? Range of the second function g. If these two are equal, then f composite g exists. Similarly, if you want to find a G composite f, check it, the domain of first function g and the range of second function f, they must be equal. In this case, we are getting only G composite f, whereas f composite g does not exist. Clear? Now, with the same problem, we will find inverse function. Okay. Now let us find the inverse function of the given function f and g. In our previous module itself, we discussed what is f inverse, isn't it? F inverse means we will get the ordered pair f of x comma x. So here f function is 1, 3, so it will be changed as 3, 1. Here it is 2, 4, that will be changed as 4, 2. Similarly, G inverse also 3, 5 will be changed as 5, 3. 4, 6 will be changed as 6, 4. Now we have got f inverse and g inverse. Now let us find f inverse composite g inverse and g inverse composite f inverse. Before that, let us write the values here. Here f inverse of 3 is equal to 1. Check it. The image of 3 is 1. F inverse of 4 is 2. G inverse of 5 is 3. G inverse of 6 is 4. Now we have got all these values separately. Let us find f inverse composite g inverse of x. We want to find it. So it will be f inverse of g inverse of x. Okay. Now f inverse of or f inverse composite g inverse of, here we are going to find f inverse composite g inverse of the element 5, that is equal to f inverse of g inverse of same 5. F inverse of, what is g inverse of 5? That is nothing but 3. What is f inverse of 3? That is already got, that is equal to 1. Okay. Next, f inverse composite g inverse of another element is 6. So what we get? F inverse of g inverse of 6. F inverse of g inverse of 6. So f inverse of, what is g inverse of 6? That is nothing but 4. So what is f inverse of 4? That is already got, that is 2. Now if you are finding F inverse composite G inverse, the elements will be, what are the elements? 5, 1, another one 6, 2. Check it. Similarly, you have to find G inverse composite F inverse. Okay. So finally, after finding this all, we will come to the conclusion that F inverse composite G inverse and G inverse composite F inverse are not equal. Okay. In our next module, we will discuss about the formulae F composite G whole inverse is equal to G inverse composite F inverse and G composite F whole inverse is equal to F inverse composite G inverse and so on. In our next module, we will discuss many problems also. Before that, you have to watch the video completely and then subscribe it, share it to all your friends and make use of it. Thank you.